Okay. Okay. I want to analyze some markets here. So let's try and do some market analysis. I'm gonna try and analyze as many markets as I can because I don't know, man. So this is Euro USD on the weekly time frame. So I should have recorded why I marked out these zones, but I'm gonna try and explain. So this is the weekly, or should I go to the monthly? Okay, let's see the monthly. So the monthly is like bullish and then bearish, higher high. Okay, so let me try and see. Try and show you. So this is the market went up. Oh my god, market went up and then created a higher high. This was in September 2025. Then market came down. Um, yeah, and then why is this thing not? Then the market went to create another higher high here in when is this? January. Got a higher high. Then this became our new higher low. This was our previous. This was our higher high. This is our new higher low. Market made another higher high. So the market went down for this is February, this is March. Market filled this January week. How do I hide all indicators, bro? Hide all drawings. Okay, nice. I didn't even know that. So this is January. Market went up to this psychological zone of 1,200. Am I correct? Yeah, 1,200. Market went up there, then came down. That is January, February. We had a what is this? This is a doji. What is this? Then the market for the whole of March was feeling this monthly week. Filled it, went down, broke the previous higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Broke the previous higher high, went down to the psychological level of 1,400, and then April went back up. Then May, it has been just, I think now this is higher high. This is now the lower low. This is the lower high. So price is now bearish based on the monthly time frame. Yeah, and this is the beginning of June. We have formed a new candle. This is the end of May. So let's drop down to the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame, just like we drew out. So let me try analyze naked charts. So market went up, went down, and let me analyze. Put this drawings back. Nice. So we can see here, and I have to do this in 10 minutes. I don't want it to be longer than 10 minutes. So in the weekly time frame, we have this area. What is this? Move that one, or delete it. So we have this area at 1,400. This is an area of, this is a psychological, a psychological support, right? Market came here in July, came back, came retested here in April, and the market went bullish. The market went bullish. It went up to, the market went up to this 1800 or 18500, and now from hit this area of interest. Then the market, you know, came down, came back up to this 1800. This retested this was a previous support and resistance, came to this area of resistance, and the market filled this weekly candlestick, came down to this 1600 level, psychological level, tested this previous support area. You can see support, 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 support. So on the weekly time frame, is the market bearish or bullish? The market is bearish because you can see this was the previous high. This one here, this was the previous high. Market came down, broke the previous higher low, became bearish, tested this area, formed a double bottom, went up, retested this 1800 area. Now the market is bearish. This is a new lower high, this is a new lower low. So for me, the market is bearish now. I'm sort of looking at something like, if the market is bearish and it has tested this, I think it might retrace back up and then probably head down like this. I'm not so sure. I think that's my weekly analysis of that. Let me just leave that there. Drop down to the daily time frame. We can see that the market was bearish for the last week, went into this consolidation zone, right? It has been consolidating, hit this previous. So the market, for me, Euro USD, I think it might form a bunch of like candlesticks here. I'm not so sure. I'm not so sure about that. Might get back up here and then proceed to head down. So yeah, boom, boom, boom. Yeah, this is the daily. So on the daily, same thing that I said on the weekly. I think the market came down, broke this. It broke this higher, whatever. What do you call it? Higher. Formed a new. Okay, can you delete this? Okay. So we can see here, I have 2 minutes left. I want this to be 10 minutes. I want it to be long. So we can see here, this was a previous area of support, previous area of resistance. Market went down, market came up to this previous area of previous resistance, resisted, went down, came up, back up to this previous resistance, was bearish, came, retested this previous support. I think it's gonna go up, like I said, up, probably breakthrough. I'm not so sure. It might do bro, what the hell, came up here. It might retrace back, then go up, then I don't know. I'm not so sure. That's my analysis. Yeah. Hour 4, same thing. Around this area of interest, the market has been bouncing. Bouncing is the right word. I don't know if bouncing is the correct term. So today, for this week, this first week of June, I'm looking to buy this market, catch it up as it's going up, catch this market up. Short position, long position. Yeah, so I'm looking for a long here. Go to the daily. I'm looking for a long position on the daily. What the hell? Yeah, so I'm looking for 1 2 What is this? 1 to what? 1 to 4. I'm looking at something like that. Yeah, that's it. 1 to target amount, risk reward. What? 1 to 2. Is that how you read this thing? So yeah, I'm going to buy right now, bro. How do I even buy? Oh my god, how do I buy this thing? How do I buy? Where's the? Yeah, so that's it. So let me. Yeah. Yeah.